not get charged with attempted murder too.
Let you check.
You made me choke me out.
That's a lie. So you a black man out here doing this? Wow. You a black man out here doing this? I got it on camera. I got it on camera.
Are you guys gonna close all this?
Listen. Everybody's can't act like this one, and I'll be on the road. We're closed now.
I am so
Oh, please, son.
Hey, I got it on camera.
Enough, dude. Get up. Enough. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I got it
Turn the fuck around. You choke me out.
Hey, don't try to take me, then.
Choke me out. 44. 44.
Go for help, you whole ass nigga.
This shit.
One night because one night. Airport from your one. 170 going. Do you have a
Get another cuff.
The ticket counter is where there's a level 3 on the A side. Sticker 10, 9 to 12.
My kid!
180 G 44.
You let me go.
Man, what's wrong with you guys? Man, my leg is fucking broken.
Stand up.
I'ma stand up. My leg broken.
You're not getting up. Stand up.
Broke my fucking leg.
Stand up.
My leg is broken,
Stand up.
jackass. How the fuck I'ma stand up? My leg broke.
Hang up, guys.
Yeah.
Everybody in here started. I'm suing the fuck out of y'all. Y'all was gonna do it. Not a cop. No, that's a lie. So you a black man out here doing this? Wow. You a black man out here doing this? Hold on, young man.
These are her two kids.
Please, I don't do that. Let's all get off the hills. Mom, let's all get off my husband, please. Mom's over here. What is wrong with disability? You were talking, you're hurting me. David, record. You're recording, baby. Recording.
Medical attention?
Yeah, I'm suing. Okay. Don't fuck my legs up. I'm suing. I have a disability, and she
Want a
choked
chair?
me. My nephew got
Put her in a chair.
She choked me and she grabbed me and I screamed at a disability 5, 6, 7 times. Get off of me, I need to be out of these handcuffs. You're hurting my arm. My bones are weak.
I know. Well,
You're
stop
hurting
resisting.
me.
Quit pulling back.
Get the handcuffs off of me.
Quit pulling back.
My kids. You know, baby, get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
You're ready now. You won't let me get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
Because you let me go, my baby. I gotta get my kids.
I know you'll get them.
I don't want to leave without my children.
Requested there. Good round.
Let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there.
Stop yelling at him.
Man, y'all got it on record. Thank you, please. 216-370-83.
Fucking leg.
Text it to me. I have a disability. She's trying to drive me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I was over in handcuffs. Right here. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Y'all had no camera. Thank you. She dragged me in the house.
Call the hospital, my leg is broken.
We got some. Well, we're not getting charged that attempted murder too.
Let you check.
You made me pass out. You choked me out. And then you pass out.
You a liar.
They were on charge for him in the beginning.
Bro, no, it's going more than that.
And then it went further.
Yeah. You can do whatever. You can give me all the looks you want, bro. I ain't that, first of all. So.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. Shut your mouth.
Talk to this guy. He's catching more than that stuff, more than the battery.
I just saw when I was on trying to get him off here. I saw you were under. I couldn't see.
He had put me underneath my throat, and I was like, I'm like, no, like I couldn't breathe at all. Like,
Oh no,
I fucking blacked out.
planning it on.
Yeah. No.
Tango 225.
15 times 2. So
Yeah,
far.
we got cars here too.
Additional with,
He needs ambulance.
over there, you good?
Oh, okay.
This guy broke his leg.
We're good over here.
There you go.
I mean,
It was a thing with violence. I was standing there and I saw him. All I saw, because there's people in front of me, I had to push him out of the way because I saw him do that.
Yeah.
And then it was just you were all over him.
Well,
So- I think he pushed you first here.
He was doing this.
I saw that.
And I was like, bro, and I pushed his hand away.
Right.
And he had touch me, he hit me. And they're like, bro, do not do that.
Right.
I was like, you need to step away right now. And I put my hand like this and he hit my hand. He pushed me and then we just went down. Oh, yeah, bro.
It happened quick. And then she was on top of me. And I'm pulling her up. Yeah, it was crazy.
Oh,
Because I'm trying to pull him. Got a little crazy.
yeah.
Oh, I can get you all the way around.
Shit. Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to.
Southwest Airlines is making a page for passenger in Melbourne voicing. Southwest Airlines is making a page for passenger in Melbourne voicing. If you hear this announcement, please contact your ticket company from the point I don't.
It's not me. Like, it's on camera. It's all right. It's on camera. Yeah, then we were on the ground. He had me like, I came down like this and he was on top of me and I was like, I was tapping out, bro. I couldn't see shit.
Then I'm pulling him out, and the girl dives on me like crazy. That's attempted murder charge. So. I'm gonna leave it.
This guy claims he broke his leg. You want to sentence him? Okay. He was reached behind the ticket counter. Like they were screaming at each other, and I was like, all right, we're closed. Everything's closed now. And he was like slamming their keyboard, right? And I was like, I pushed his hand. I was like, bro, you can't do that back there. He's like, don't touch me. He did a hit. And I was like, step back. He keep doing that. He did a hit again, and then we locked up. And I was like, now you're going to jail. And he's a big boy. He leaned in, he leaned at me, and he put me in a headlock, put down the ground, and I passed out almost. Like I was like, it was there. I think somebody got his arm back. And
I was on him, and then the girl dove on us.
And then his wife jumped on his back.
She's at the office area, so we got her controlled, but he
said his legs broke.
Edward, did you want any of her information that I have just that I ran?
no, it's fine. No confrontation. That's all. Okay.
Yeah, promise for that.
still going on.
Airport 5.
Airport guys.
I'll be on with you. Great taking calls.
Yeah, for 2225. Oh, so you can go right there. 2225.
You're good, man. You're good. We don't want you to go over to crime.
I am Steve.
Sell or hit something or.
He said it's not.
So that's hard to leave. She's like, oh, my baby pierced.
Oh, so they going to her.
You just want to not bring
Yeah, for sure.
Kareem, you guys have learned that often?
I'm asking to walk on it. It's your birthday. How much can I walk
Stay on.
Thank you.
Take extra.
It doesn't look like it's broken. You might have sprained it or injured it.
Ladies and gentlemen.